Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Before we do that, let's go ahead and go over a review. Go over a review, share our opinion on the market, and then get into the play, guys. The play that I believe is going to print money on tomorrow and how smart you need to be to play it. Because even though it's going to print money, it's going to be tricky. It's gonna be tricky. It's gonna try to trick you out of your position. It's gonna try to scare you away. You know how it get. But if it get too tricky and go against the plan that I got set up, get up out of there. Have a small loss, move along. Wait for the next good play. But anyways, we're looking. I told you guys the market wasn't done. So the market is about to drop some more. And man, I made some money off SPY today. I really could have made more. Because it was happening so clean. The drop was so clean. Like some moments, so whenever the market is easy, that's when you want to go crazy, go hard. Like put the bag in. And I don't even tell people to do that because it's not safe. Once you get to the point to where you're more advanced and you feel what I just said, do it, but not at the beginning. You're gonna fuck up, you're gonna lose a lot of money. I'm trying to get quick cussing too. And when the market is hard, guess what? Go easy. What does that look like? Market easy. I could sense the spot. I already anticipating this happening. It's happening in real time. This is my moment. Boom. Drop 5 bands in that mug. 10, 20 minutes, you up 200%. Just because you up $10,000. You know what I'm saying? Just for that moment. Because the market was easy. But if it was hard, you ain't really that sure. You kind of iffy, but it's still a good setup. Okay, let me just put 200 in this bit instead of 5 grand or 400 or 500, depending on what your comfortability is. And that's how you get your mind right. That's how you make the game easier. A lot of y'all making this more difficult and harder than what it got to be every day because you trying to make life-changing money in one day. When you know it's just building blocks. Make the small money. It's easy to make the small money. It's less stressful. You're not waking up sad one day, happy the next day, down crazy bands and up crazy bands one day and down. That's too much. You all over the place. I'd rather have a simple life, aim small, miss small, smooth sailing. Work on my businesses outside of the market so that way I ain't forcing nothing. I ain't, oh, this gotta work. I gotta need this. Gotta pay rent with this. No, have multiple things going on in your life so that way you're not dependent on, you know what I'm saying? If YouTube don't work, I got TikTok. If TikTok don't work, I got YouTube. If stocks, you know what I'm saying, slow, it's a slow season and ain't no plays to be called out, you don't need to risk it. And you're like, damn, but I need money for that. You got other hustles. You got the funeral business. You got this. You got that. You got this affiliate marketing, brand deals. You got blase woo woo. You know what I'm saying? For yourself, it could be anything. Grass. You know, I even cut grass. Hell, you know what I'm saying? If I want to, just extra money. I just love making money. So what I'm just saying is have something extra going on, and don't think I'm just talking to talk. I'm telling you something that's going to help your mental with trading. Make sure you good outside of that, so that way anything made from trading is just extra. And it ain't pressure. That's when you make money when there ain't no pressure. Ain't no pressure involved, little nigga. Like you give me some money today, market, you give it to me. If not, oh well. You know what I'm saying? Talk junk to the market. If you go up, you go up, nigga. If you don't, oh well. That's how I talk to the stocks now. Cause I ain't got much invested in you. I'm stress free. Nigga, if you go up, you go up. If you don't, I'm gonna cut you for a loss. Oh well. And then when I talk trash to it, guess what they do? Go up. But whenever I'm talking like, man, please market, man, go up, man, I need it, I need it. If you talking like you scared, market crashing, yeah. Funny moment, bro. This on TikTok, man. This dude gonna say, hey, I'm trying to improve my looks. Can you tell me what you like about him, feature wise? I need all the details. Like that's the most weirdest comment I ever seen in my life. Like, why you want to know about another dude like that? Like, folks. Like, but anyways, look at this right here though. It just sometimes I bring up random stuff for y'all, man. That's just funny. But anyways, right here I could call it out open. I ain't really call it out, but I put it on the radar. You tell me what you think it is. Still kind of like a, hey, I'm in it. I got right because I seen it. Like I said, if you see what I see, because in the way, and the reason I do this is because of the time of day. I seen this play at 12 o'clock and stuff like that. My motto is to trade at the beginning, the first hour of the day. If I don't make my money and get stuff right then, is it. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Some days, a little bit after that first hour, but you get what I'm saying. Don't try to spend your whole day caught up trading because the market slows down in the middle of the day and no big moves ain't really happen. So you're going to be stuck. If you're losing money, you're really going to lose more because of theta probably. If you're making money, you better go ahead and just sell. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, to this right here. We said this ain't an alert, just a thought. And the reason why I say this is because I already alerted what it was, guys. Oracle. We made money on Oracle. I bought the dip, got in, got out, made the money, done for the day in 10 minutes. So that way, I don't want to make us money and then call out another play and we lose money. But I seen the opportunity open. I'm like, I ain't about to just throw it out there and set us in that fire, but I'm going to let them know what I see. And if they see what I see, they can take on the opportunity. And that's why, and it's kind of like the plays I do alone, like it was a play, you know what I'm saying? Because we already made the money. But I like, this ain't alert, just a thought. It would be appreciated to let you know if something looks interesting, to just put on your watch list. And if you decide to take on the opportunities because you see what I see on a post like this, do your thing. Learn to be self-sufficient along the way. I don't have to hold your hand and walk you across the street every single play, every time I speak on the play. And this just for the crybabies. I know some of y'all are killing it with your own plays as well. 9+ maybe. So I said open 9+. And basically just saying here, I think this is going to do this. Put it on your watch list. If you see it lining up to do what I had said, that might be a sign to go ahead and get in. And set up your plan. Where you gonna exit at? If you buy that stock and I said that, well, your plan to be, well, I'm gonna get out if it go below $7.85. I'm gonna exit. So if it go up, my upside potential is $1, like Hayes said, but I'm only gonna risk 15 cents if it go down. And I can always get back in after risking that 15 cents. Get your mind right. Look at open. Crazy after I was up 10%, right? This the play going into tomorrow too. It's the play I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? I was waiting for it to do its thing today. After that pullback that it had on yesterday, I knew it's certain plays like these in the smaller cap world that after they run up, they'll run down that next day for the whole day. And then once they start to reroute, you see that little bit moving in them starting to reroute. I knew without a doubt. You know what I'm saying? Really should have put hella bands on this play because it's like, I mean, still though, whenever you know that, you can't be too confident and put crazy money on it, and then it don't go your way all of a sudden because of, you know what I'm saying, and then you stuck. So, but I was very confident in this. But anyways, you'll put the bread on it and end up getting shaken out tomorrow if you don't play this correctly. So right now, after I was just running up, it's up 10%. So what I want to see tomorrow is for this hold up 880. If open hold up at 880ish, if it drop below 880, you can see what the volume is looking like. If it's still, a lot of volatility, is like a morning panic. If it happened very fast, very sharp, I take below 880. You know what I'm saying? It could go below 880 if it's fast. That means, they just trying to quickly get people out, scare people out for that morning panic, and then it's going to rip right back over 9 and go to 10. So I'm projecting this to go to 10 plus tomorrow. If it go to 10, it could possibly hit that high that it hit around 10.50, 10.60. And if it break that, it's going to 11. But you want to keep a close eye on this. A lot of people love this stock. They watching this hard. So watch this. But 880, you want to see it hold up. I always bound to pull back on the dip. Don't chase nothing at all. So if it don't hold at 880, the only way I buy it for the dip is if it happen quick. It need to happen fast. Tesla, we talked about Tesla. I told you guys if it break above 430, I believe this thing was going to go in it. Right now it's at 447. If the market comes back tomorrow, even without the market coming back, Tesla doing its thing, but it's on route. This thing could hit 460. But I want to see it come down to around 446 first. 446 don't hold. 440. 440 could be some good support. This thing definitely, it love to shake the tree, get people up out of there. So it probably could come down to 440 before if it want to reroute and continue to run towards that 460. So I'm going to be looking for Tesla on tomorrow and see how it trade. Definitely, you want to watch yourself though. We talked about UnitedHealth as well. UnitedHealth, it's up $4 a day. We thought it would do more with the market pulling back the way it did. But it's, I didn't trade today. I didn't, it didn't do, I could tell, even though I like a stock the day before and I say, oh, this is once the day gets started and volume and momentum and price action, all that going to play, I can quickly change my mind and be like, oh, I'm not touching that. You know what I'm saying? It's just not as exciting and juicy of a play to me no more. You got stock futures, little change Wednesday night as investors are waiting for the upcoming job data. So you guys already know what to do though. Add you over on Instagram at the BHShow_. Feel free to hit me up for a one-on-one VIP. Click the home page, join third tier. That give you all access to every single play we get in and out of. Also with Spidermar. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna just focus on open. And I'm gonna be trading SPY and whatnot. I wanna see how it play out. But tomorrow you definitely wanna really be, just paying attention. Don't really try to do too much. Cause the market, I feel like the market wanna be it's gonna get a little more tricky. We're gonna have some wild days.